channel. I'm Pvris.tay, and this is the start of a new vlog. I just got done finishing filming a video. I was doing my hair, but I'm kind of frustrated. So I did these clip-ins, and I had to do heatless curls because I don't currently own a curling iron at the moment because like I gave away all my hot tools when I locked up, and now I'm trying to rebuild myself. But anyways, I did some heatless curls, and I don't know what Levi's going through. Throwing a fit right now. But this side gives like wavy, not too curly, and then this side like really curled a lot. So I don't know what to do, and I can't wet it because the way I did my clip-ins, my real hair is layered underneath here. Like none of my real hair is braided. It's all together. So I don't know. Maybe I'll pull these into a ponytail and hope that it kind of straightens out. I don't have to show my face to the public until Wednesday, and today's Monday, the day that I'm filming this, so no big deal. The winter storm here in Atlanta was a complete flop. Didn't happen. And I really wanted it to happen. Like, I wanted to get some real snow, and I wanted the roads to ice over. I wanted like some real winter weather, so I could just stay in my house and not show my face at work. But no, of course that didn't happen. I didn't like go crazy like everybody else and go buy a bunch of groceries, so you know, no money lost on my end, but it's just very inconvenient to still have to go to the office because I was hoping, like initially it was supposed to snow. Levi, what's wrong? Come here. Come here. You're not in trouble. Come here. Okay, well, he wants to run from me. He just keep making that weird noise. I know it's because he's throwing a fit about something. I just don't know what he wants. You're not getting more food. You already ate. You can't eat until lunchtime. What was I about to say? I lost my train of thought, child. But next time I do, these clip-ins were bone straight. So next time I'm definitely going to just buy body wave because I don't like the way the straight looked. I definitely like this side the best. I'm not sold on the curly side. I think the reason why I don't like the curly side is because this is still super flat, and then it's just like curls galore on this end. Whereas here it's just like a very cute gradual wave. It's kind of classy. Yeah. I'll figure it out. I got a couple days to figure out what to do with my hair. But my next hairstyle isn't even going to be clip-ins. I think I'm going to let Bill do my hair and give me some crochet braids. That would be cute. Because she has some in her head, not even going to lie. They were so cute. She took them out already, but I really like that hairstyle. So now I'm going to steal it and copy her. She shouldn't mind though. But yeah, I don't know what this week is gonna lead to. I was supposed to go to a cooking class yesterday, but it got canceled due to inclement weather that never happened. But I went ahead and I booked another cooking class for February 15th, and I'm gonna go to that one with my sisters, and we're gonna do like Galentine's to. Can you come here? Can we talk? Come here. I don't know what's wrong, babe. Do you want to be in the camera? He has his little onesies on. He's my big baby. Oh, you needed to burp. Oh. He really is still just a baby. Levi, you gotta learn to burp yourself. You're grown now. You're one. But yeah, we're gonna do Galentine's. We're gonna do a cooking class together on February 15th. So that should be fun. And then, I don't know. I'll do that with them. And then I do need to plan something with Mom and Kenzie. I gotta think. I'll see. Maybe I'll give everybody gifts. I didn't get gifts last year, but I think I'll get them gifts this year. Did I get them gifts last year? I can't remember. My memory is shot. But yeah, as for today, I really don't think I'll be doing much. I don't even know next time I pick up the camera. I might not pick you guys up until this weekend, because this week at work is gonna be a lot going on. And I just know I'm gonna be tired. My social battery is gonna be shot. Ugh. So yeah. But I just wanted to start the vlog. I'm gonna edit this hair footage, so hopefully that video comes out even before this currently is out. But I'll see y'all in a second. But for me, it's gonna be a few days. Happy Tuesday. I am getting dressed. Let me set y'all down. I made an impromptu appointment for Levi. He's going to go get a bath and his nails trimmed because he stinks and I just don't feel like dealing with it. I was going to wash him myself, but I found a place near the house. They said they'll do it for $35. So I want to bring him and hopefully they get him right. I was looking on their website. They do have a de-shedding service for like $55. So I'm going to ask her if they have time to actually upgrade his service. So that way I could kind of kill two birds with one stone. But yeah, I'm just throwing my clothes on so I can go. Make sure I have my wallet. I got to make sure I have proof of vaccination for his rabies. I think that's in the car though. Poochie, babe, you ready? I think he's ready. Got my keys. Time to go. Alright, so I just dropped them off. They say it'll only take about an hour, which is really good. And then I love that this is down the street from me. They have like boarding and training. I was looking at their prices. It's actually not bad. Because I've been thinking about putting him in training to help with his potty training. They have like a little 12-day program, boarding program where he would just stay. So that's good to know. But this is the name of the place. Let me see, can y'all see? Wagging Tails. So yeah, I'm about to go home, eat lunch, and I'll be back to pick him up before my first meeting later. Alright, so I am back home. It is still cold as ever. Ooh, you can't see me. It's still very cold outside, like super cold. I had a cup in my car from when I had some Subway, and the liquid was frozen inside the car, y'all. Like, that's just too cold. But I'm about to make me some lunch because I am hungry. I don't have any lettuce, but I'm gonna make a taco bowl with rice and green beans. This looks delicious. But before I eat, I have to log my meal. Carnival is calling me, trying to get me to book a cruise. I saw they sent me an email with like a free room, but the timing right now, I can't. As much as I would love to take a little trip. So I use the Nourish app to track myself. So I just like describe what I'm eating, then I take a picture. It uses like some AI stuff to analyze how many calories it is. Obviously it's not going to be 100% right, but this is just for me to track what I'm eating. I do have a dietitian, so that was a lot of calories. 798 calories. So we're gonna have to eat real petite later, but that's okay though, because I was craving this, and this is better than me getting fast food. It's been about an hour, almost an hour, since I dropped him off, so I'm gonna go ahead and go get him, because I got work to do. Am I the only person whose door feels like it's harder to lock and unlock when it's cold outside? Is that normal? My sweet puppy dog. Oh, man. I need to refresh my hair, too, because I gotta go to the office tomorrow. Chill. Let's go. And I hope nobody takes my premium parking. While I'm gone. But, I feel like I need to explain what I was talking about when I was eating more into detail. So I had my annual physical a few days ago, and I was just like having like a really good conversation with my doctor, and we started talking about like my eating habits and all this other stuff. And I told her like things that, like what my habits were, what I wanted, and what I was struggling with. So she actually referred me to a dietitian. And the dietitian has me using the Nourish app just to track what I'm eating right now. I think he's just gathering the data, and then I'll see what he says about it. I'm super early into my journey, so I really don't have like that much to say. I will say I like the app because it kind of holds me accountable. Because like sometimes I want to eat something like, dang, it's going to cut into my calories, and what is my dietitian going to say when he sees this? So definitely makes me like, woo, not eat so mindlessly throughout the day. And like taking the pictures also, because like sometimes you may be like, oh, I didn't eat that much, and it's like you got a huge portion and they can see exactly how much you ate. I like it. I am here at the little dog grooming daycare place. Let me go get Poochie. We're gonna see what he looks like. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna leave y'all in the car so y'all can see what my baby boy looks like. I'll be back. Alright. There you go. Levi's back. Look at him. He smells so much better. Way better than what you were smelling like before. She did say that he was not very cooperative with the nail part. They were able to get them shorter, which I appreciate. But she said he was giving so much attitude. That's what took them a little longer than expected. But that's okay though. I'm just grateful that they were able to get it done. Y'all, the male person took my spot. Bastards. Levi, now your breath stinks. It's just too much going on. Yuck. You look handsome though. Look at him, y'all. Look at the baby. Oh my goodness. Look on the house. I'm just some heatless curls. I need to this week, and I'm gonna buy a curling iron. I was gonna go today, but I didn't feel like it. Whew. It's a little nappy. My head is itching. Everything still look good though. Try to get this as close as possible. Oh man, I'm pretty tired too. I'm I'll just do, I think, 4 total. Because I don't want real curls. I just want it to be a little wavy. I can see my hair. If you are in the dark, don't think dang, y'all could probably hear my TV. I'm watching Nurse Brett, one of her vlogs. I'm not a nurse, but she's very entertaining. I've been looking for new people to watch. Somebody that I just subscribed to, her name was I Am Shelly, and she was in Chicago. I really like her vibe too. She was cool. I went ahead and subscribed to her. So we've just been looking for other YouTubers to watch. Poochie was so mad at me today. I went to give him his little good night kiss. He would look at me and he'd be like, he was turning his head away from me. He was not having it. I don't think he liked his experience at the bath place, but he needed a jab. So, to say sorry, I'm letting him sleep in the bed with me tonight. My little heatless curls came out cute this time, y'all. I like them a lot better. I put hairspray on them and I'm not going to brush them so that way it will just fall naturally during the day. Yeah. Per usual, I am procrastinating. I woke up on time, but I was just sitting in the bed, cuddling with Poochie. Because I did not feel like getting up. Well, grateful to be up and grateful to have a job, but it's just one of those mornings where staying in seems a lot more appealing. Ain't that right, Poochie? Yeah. Trying to find some socks to wear. My drawer is a mess. Yep, found a match. Make sure my feet don't get cold. What time is it? It's 7:49. Alright. We got time. Ooh, child. Prepping for your day at night is so beneficial. So all I gotta do is really grab my bags and go. Let me pull to the bed real quick. And I gotta position the pillows to where at least I can't get to them and knock them down. Alright, Poochie. You need breakfast before I go. That is coming right up. My camera's about to die too. Yeah, I bought this gallon of water for the snowstorm that never came, so now he's just been drinking bottled water. Ooh. You got 3 cans of food left. I'm going to go buy some more. What you got? Tender turkey and rice stew. And I got these little reusable covers. And then, I don't know why I thought this is chicken. I thought this was beef he's been eating this whole time. They got turkey and chicken for breakfast. Nice little mixture. Oh, and we good. Did my camera just die? Okay, no, we still good. Put my bag of popcorn. It's lunch. I got my phone, keys, and my work bag in my desk. Alright, y'all. This is crazy. I left home 5 minutes earlier, and now I'm 20 minutes early to work. Traffic is so weird. I'm just about to sit in my car though, because one thing I'm not about to do is be in that building any longer than I gotta be. I'm very happy with the way these curls came out. Let's just hope they don't fall. Man, I was so ready to go. I was so ready to go. And it felt like, today was just long and stupid. Now I'm starting to cramp. I got gas. And it's always like those last few minutes of being in the office seem to drag by. Oh. God, I'm so ready to go home and see my sweet little puppy dog. I was thinking about him at my desk. Also, I think I want to take these out and wash my hair tonight and do a protein treatment. Because I actually meant to do it when I did my hair. But there's just so much going on. I ended up not doing it. Hopefully traffic ain't too bad going home. It's a little cold in here. Y'all, why I came in my car, I took a nap during my lunch break. I didn't turn the car on just because I've heard you could die from like carbon monoxide poisoning if you just sit in your car. So I felt like my bones themselves were cold. Like when I woke up, I was like, oh goodness. But I do like to sleep in the cold, so like it felt good, but my body was just real stiff. Probably shouldn't make a habit of that. Come on. How about make me miss the light? Don't have the time. Oh, they got trash flying through the streets. Girl, I'm not gonna block you in. Just go ahead. Some stereotypes about the way people drive is true. Not all, but some. And I'm not gonna say what I just saw, because that's very inappropriate to say, but child, I wonder about some of these people. I'm just be fussing, so let me get off here. I'll see y'all when I get home. Y'all, I was vlogging this whole time and I never hit record. That's hilarious. I was talking so much. Basically though, I'm trying to figure out if I should take these clip-ins out and put on that curly half wig that I have. because I'm kind of over the hair. It doesn't hold a curl, and I don't want to go through the trouble of like making it bone straight again, because this just looks like I don't even know what to say. I don't know. Ooh. Zoom that back out. And then I gotta redo this part of my leave out. Whereas with the curly one, even if I don't wash my hair, I could blend that out easier. This ain't working for me though. I don't know what to do. I don't know, y'all. I think I'm gonna take the hair out. Oh wait, yeah. Let's take this out. I am about to take a bath. About to use this Dr. Teal's Cozy Cinnamon and Cashmere. And I'm just soak a little bit because I just feel like it. I'm always feeling something. I usually don't soak in my tub just because it's smaller, but I desperately just need some relaxation. So we're gonna soak tonight. Make sure that that's down, child. I need no problems. That looks so good.
You should too.
Ooh. Hey y'all, so those last few clips that I showed y'all, I went to lunch today with my team from work. We went to Mr. O1. That was my first time ever being there. Let me tell y'all, that food was so good. I will definitely be back, especially the pistachio pizza that they have for their dessert. That, oh my gosh, that was so good. And I couldn't even pick out because like it was work and I didn't want to do too much, but I definitely have to be back. And they have a Michelin star and it's like reasonably priced. It's not out of the ordinary. Like a pizza's like $20. Yeah, I gotta run that back one day. I was just telling Bill about it, but now I'm about to be greedy, but I am about to go eat again. It's been a few hours though. It's been a few hours since I ate that, but I'm off now and I'm about to meet up with Kate. This girl, she done got some daggone lip injections. We gonna see how that look. Hopefully she don't look crazy. But yeah, that's where we driving to. I got like a 20-minute drive because it's prime time traffic right now. Everybody's like getting off of work and stuff. But I don't know where we're gonna eat at. I texted her a bunch of options. She didn't answer me yet. I don't know what she's in the mood for. I don't necessarily have a taste for nothing. We were gonna run it back at Yard House or Cheesecake Factory again, but we literally just like ate at both of those places not too long ago. Yard House is our spot because you know they got happy hour. I love Yard House, but I don't want to run it into the ground and then it's not good. You know, when you eat at a spot too often, it's not gonna be as good as it normally is. So that's why I'm kind of reluctant to go there. And then cheesecake, we literally just had that. But cheesecake's menu is so huge, you can't run cheesecake into the ground unless you just get the same exact thing every single time. So, I don't know. But we're going to see. I'm going to pick y'all back up when I get over there. I just wanted to explain what was going on. I feel like after I took my bubble bath last night, I was just feeling so relaxed. I couldn't come back on camera. I was just like, girl, I'm going to lay down. Me and Poochie got in bed. And we went to sleep. And I just went to work today, had my team lunch and stuff. So yeah, today's Thursday. So let's see what kind of fun. Hopefully I can stop at the store and go find a curling iron. I also ended up ordering some more hair. It's like a kinky texture and it's longer. Which actually, I don't know. I might end up having to cut it. Because I really like an 18-inch right now. When it comes to like straight hair. It's not too much. It's like the perfect length. I think it's because I'm getting older though. But let me come back. I keep rambling. Don't get my whole face in it because I'm not. She about to show me her lips, y'all. You ready? Don't. Why are you all up in it? Oh, okay. Why am I on the reveal? Come on, let me see the lips. You're supposed to do your own reaction. The hell? Okay. Let me see him again. It look like it don't look bad, but yeah, it's crazy. It look like when I have my. It don't look bad though. Did it hurt? No. Should I get mine done? Yeah. For real? Yeah, you should. How much you paid? I paid. She was having the first time. Turn the camera on. We at the greediest spot we could have chose. We had a buffet, so yeah, I'm not about to vlog. I'm just come back for the aftermath. Her lips look nice though, actually. Mom, I wonder by the time I post this, did you notice her lips? If not, don't call me. Y'all, let me show y'all our plates to start off with. I got ribs, chicken, egg roll, donut, got mac and cheese, noodles, broccoli, potato, and she got some other stuff. It's kind of dark in here, but we're about to chow down. Valley. It's not like put the paper back in Lucas. Okay, open yours and I'll open. We'll open at the same time. Okay. Wait. Put it like this so we can. Oh. Oh shit. You can see my hand. Can you see yours? Yeah. Okay. Cheers. Oh. Today is up to you to create the peacefulness you long for. Today's love will heal wounds and scars. Why you look disgusting? I only did. We could go in there, but the one we had went to last time, but that shit was expensive. But yeah, I was trying to tell y'all, she got thick lips and she having an attitude right now. I told her fate has been sealed. She gonna marry a man with thick lips, and I'm gonna make sure it happens. Oh yeah. You ever had a night so good where you just had to keep the party going and go to the person's house? That's the type of night I had, y'all. I had to take out my clippings because my hair was itching. You know, I said last night I was going to take them out. And I told Bill I want her to curl my hair just to see how the big C look is going to look on me. Baby, that's a pixie. It's a big C. I got a little length in the back. Let me go find my poochie. I drove all the way home to come here. Where you at? Get out that corner. Get your butt out that corner. Go. He always doing something he ain't supposed to. I drove all the way back to the city to get Poochie and get us some stuff to spend the night and my work laptop so that way I can work from over here. It's dedication. But look at my clippings. This overwhelming feeling that Elizabeth was still out there. Yeah, you're gonna see how my hair looks curled tomorrow. As long as I don't sort it out in my sleep. Cause I don't got no clippings weighing it down to keep it. I probably should have waited tomorrow, but my head was just itching so much. But I did buy some things in TJ Maxx. But I'm going to show y'all when I get home because the bags are sitting on my counter. Well, I'm going to come back and talk to y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm in the store because it's supposed to storm. A snowstorm again tomorrow. So just in case, even though I'm not home, I'm going shopping on this side of town so that way I won't be screwed when I go home in the morning. And then let me get me like one little trash thing. This is all I got though. And the price will buy one get one free. Get out the clothes. All right, next I'm gonna fill up on gas because I got like 30 miles worth of gas left. Oh shit. It'll never work when I do that. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't think this one works. So I played myself. The pump I pulled up to does not work. Let me back up and see if... I can't believe that pump wasn't working at all. That just made me so mad. And of course, my tap to pay never works at QP. What is going on? Okay. Oh, hee hee. Press enter. Regular gas. That's gonna go up to like 30. It's so freaking cold. Charleston. I'm playing at the gas station. We about to get caught up. Not me. I'm wake up at like 6 in the morning and I'm gonna be back on my side of town before the snow hits. They say the snow gonna hit around 9 something, 9, 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna be back by 7. Yep. Me and Poochie gonna be straight. Watch it don't snow again, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Cause ain't nothing worse than being unprepared and you don't got no food to eat. You stuck in the house. Now you hoping you could get something DoorDash and you paying like twice the amount when you could have just bought the groceries in the first place. We up to 25 right now. I think it's going to end up around... Oh, it's full at 27. Gas is cheap out in the country. Oh, I forgot how cheap gas was out here. So we only spent $27.43. Let me show y'all. $27.43. Now I'm going back to my people spot and I'm about to watch the rest of Only Murders in the Building and relax. Hey y'all, so it's 7 something in the morning. I'm finally going home. I think I told y'all I wanted to go home last night, but my mom's like, no, you can wait until the morning because it's so dark. Child, why it started snowing? So I should have went home last night, but it's not bad snow or anything. It's literally just like light. It's not sticking anything. It's just lightly falling to the ground. And I've driven in the snow before. I think it was in like 2017, 2018. Atlanta had snow one night. Well, one day when I got off of work, it was like 4 in the afternoon, and I drove home an hour through the interstate. So this ain't nothing. I'm just trying to get home to myself and my things. Poochie, he don't have no food over here. He only had half a can of food left, so I'm like, yeah, we need to go. It's all good though, and I'm just being very vigilant while I drive. But they live out in the country, so like the closer I get to home, that's where the snow's not going to be. So I ain't even worried about it. But yeah, let me focus on the road, and I'm going to talk to y'all when I get home. Made it home, y'all. Oh my gosh, it is so cold out there. And oh, I had so much to bring in, but I need to save my groceries that I bought last night. see if I can set y'all up somewhere. My house ain't even clean. I didn't plan to go over there when I did. But, you know, life just be happening. So, whatever. I ain't complaining. I'm gonna put my packet chicken in the fridge. That don't go bad. Got a bunch of drama. Oh man, I was tired too. I went to bed so late last night. But I'm very glad to be back home. It's like so fun when I go over there. I have a time. I have a fun time when I'm with my family. Like, I'm so childish over there, but it's nothing like being in your own space. Plus, my cycle's about to come on, and that's not something. That's just, I need to be in the comfort of my own home when I'm going through that. So, that's why I'm so determined to get back over here. And then Poochie's food is all over. He only had half canned food left. I think I told y'all that. If I did not, I can't remember. But oh, I got a headache. I got packages. I need to take the trash out, and I do think it's gonna actually snow by me this time because I saw little flurries out there as I was bringing everything in. Oh, this is the curling iron I bought from TJ Maxx. Just a little cute something in. It's pink. You know, I'm trying to get all these bags out my house, so I'm gonna undo everything. I don't think these bags of apples are sticking to it. It's a little soft. And I got some potatoes I need to throw out. I still never filed my taxes. I don't even want to file my taxes. I don't have kids or nothing, so it's like they just be taking all my money just because. And I get the stuff withheld from my check. That's the thing. It's fine. I'm not gonna fall back asleep though. I need to clean up, and I just need to get my life together. I need to take a shower. Oh, I did want to open packages up for y'all. What is wrong with me? Where's my packages? And I want to show y'all what I bought from TJ Maxx that day. Alright. Here's the rest of my TJ Maxx purchase. And then some packages I got. I'm not sure what's. Ooh, that was a fragile. I don't remember what all is in here. I'm sure if I looked on my account, I would, but whatever. So from TJ Maxx, I got some hairspray. This is just like to hold the curls in place because that hair that I got is straight and it don't hold the curls, so this will help it so it's not flat by the end of my work shift. I got Levi's some water additive. It's peanut butter and bacon flavor. It freshens his breath. It fights plaque and tartar. So hopefully this will get him to enjoy his water more because he ain't been drinking water like he's supposed to. And then what's this? Oh, that's not from TJ Maxx. Then I got these little flowers that I'm just gonna set in my kitchen. They're cute, right? I only paid $14.99. This matches the decor in my living room. So got that right there for now. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it just yet, but I'll find a cute little spot when I clean up. And then what's this? Oh, girl box all busted up. It's a heatless roller curler thing. I got this because like I have the, what do you call those? I don't know what you call it, but I have the ones, but I don't have the one that goes over the head where you can just do like the continuous thing. So that's why I bought that. And then what's in this package? Oh, a drain stopper for my tub. And then some Metamucil because I need more fiber in my diet. Alright, cool. So that's everything. I need to take this trash out, clean up, take a shower. I'll come back on camera later. I don't know when that will be because I need to end this vlog, but I'm gonna come back.